Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your international student ID with ISIC easy tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy your international student ID with ISIC, begin by visiting the official ISIC website. Look for the Get Your ID or Apply Now button on the home page. Click on the button to start the application process. You will be directed to a new page to create your account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and student status. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you will receive important updates there. After filling in your information, click the Sign Up button to create your account. Check your email for a verification message from ISIC. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your ISIC account using your email and password. Navigate to the section labeled Apply for your ID. You will need to provide additional information, including your educational institution and course details. Upload any required documents, such as proof of student status or enrollment letter. Double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Submit button to complete your application. You might need to pay a small fee for your ID. Follow the payment instructions provided on the screen. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your application. ISIC will then process your application and send you your international student ID. Keep an eye on your email for updates on the status of your ID. Once you receive your ID, you can start using it for student discounts and benefits worldwide. Make sure to familiarize yourself with all the features and advantages that come with your ISIC ID. Enjoy your adventures as an international student. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.